So Mekong Capital is a private equity firm in Vietnam, and we've been here for 22 years. But this is the first time we have our first climate and impact fund. And the area that we choose to invest in is regenerative agriculture and sustainable forestry. We do have very clear target, and they are: one is the regeneration of forest and soil in Vietnam. The second target that we have is to support and improve the livelihood of smallholder farmers. And the third target that we have is sequestering and reducing the emission of carbon. This is a new transition for us, and it just goes to show that the opportunity here is as consumer, as an investor, we are very focused on the sustainability, not just growth, but a sustainable growth. So projects that we are excited about is a project where there is a win for the environment, the win for the people, and the win for the economy. So just to share an example of that would be, for example, the mangroves and strip model, where we, one, protect the mangroves, preserve and restore mangroves. On the other hand, we're able to generate an income from strip production. In that way, we can help the business grow, to be able to share our homegrown organic products to the European market, but also support the smallholder farmers in a sustainable income, but at the same protect the environment. So that's just one example of the sort of projects that we support. This year is a very challenging year for FDI investment, and this is a global impact, not just Vietnam. However, recently I hear a lot of interest in investing in three things. One is climate investment. Two is a nature-based solutions that work with nature and not necessarily against it. And the third one is regenerative agriculture. So from what I've seen, there is a lot more mandate for sustainable growth this year, and that's very exciting for us and the Mekong Earth and Forest Fund. So I'm optimistic about next year as we continue to attract more FDI investment into this sector.